Hey guys, what is up? Rachel here. If you're new to my channel, you might want to subscribe. Things are about to get crazy in this family here. So hopefully everybody's taking care, they're washing their hands, they're staying safe, and everything's going so well with this COVID-19 thing. I'm going to show you guys a grocery haul. I'm sitting at my kitchen table, and I'm looking around because there's no space on my table. Some 2% milk. I'm trying to steer away from cow's milk just because I don't want my daughter having cow's milk, and she doesn't really care for cow's milk anyway, so plus for me. I also got 2 things of these. I got some paper plates, got some little styrofoam bowls, just because I'm the only one that wants to ever do dishes in my home, and I'm sick of it, frankly. So I've been laid off because of COVID-19. This video a thumbs up if you guys want to see more cleaning videos, and share it on social media, and subscribe as well. So first thing I got these Cheerios Oat Crunch Cinnamon. These are whole grain, and that's why I grabbed them. I just grabbed something sweet that'll keep me a little bit fuller longer. I was gonna get regular Cheerios because I really like those too, but I got these instead. I haven't tried them yet. I'll let you guys know if he posts about that. Cole, of course, got his Reese's Puffs. I'm not on a diet, but I'm trying to get to that point in my life where I'm healthier and my body doesn't crave as much sugar. I'm getting there, trying. I got 2 boxes of the chewy peanut butter chocolate chip. These were 2 for $4, but I got 2 of them because they're only 100 calories per bar. And they were the healthier option that was there. Colt got his High Seas. I told him that Novell can't have these, so we were looking for the, I don't remember what they're called. They're like the new but healthier juice boxes. I got my banana blueberry almond milk. I have not tried this yet. I like the Bolt House, the chai flavored ones. I'm going to try this right now. I was going to save it for breakfast, but I'm going to try it. There's other things too. That's actually really good. You could taste the almond milk for sure, but that's really good. I could actually probably dump half of it into a smoothie or something, or drink half of it and put half of it for the next day. And that's actually soy and dairy free. We got 2 jars of the 3 cheese Prego sauce. We got some A1 sauce for Colt. We got 4 cans of chicken noodle soup. 2 cans of the Anna and Elsa Campbell's soup. That's what Novell wanted. Thought it'd be cool because she would actually eat those. I guess we got 2 of the High C for Colt. We got these string cheese, chili cheese Fritos for Colt. I got my garden salsa. And I saw these. I was looking at the Rice Krispie snack like cakes. And I saw these, and they're the Caramel Rice Krispies Fat-Free Light Crispy Crunch. They also had some berry yogurt ones, but the berry yogurt ones had almost 24 grams of sugar in them. So I put them back. I really, really wanted them. But these ones only have 8 grams of sugar. And also, too, they're 110 calories per serving. The serving size is 1 ounce, so about 15 chips, it says. 28 grams / about 15 chips. I grabbed some of these Naked drinks. I have another one here somewhere. The blueberry one. I grabbed these. I have a blueberry one also, and I got the Power Machine, and I also have a green one, the Green Machine, I believe it's called. I want to try these on Novell. She won't really eat anything. She's at the stage where she's very picky with her food. Light and Fit Greek yogurt. We got about 11 of these, all different kinds. And then we only got 7 of these with the Light and Fit regulars. Just something extra to have to snack on or whatever. Okay, medium regular eggs. I was going to get the organic ones like I always do. But at my grocery store, they were $7.99 for a pack of organic eggs. The Bonnie oat chocolate milk. It's plant-based. It's old style. No lactose, no nuts, no gluten. And it's vegan friendly. I would really like to get Novell on this. It's 140 calories per 1 cup. I would like to get her hooked on this and slowly, completely wean her off of chocolate cow's milk. She'll drink the chocolate milk, but she won't drink the white milk. She doesn't like the white milk. She always says it's gross. But if she'll drink this over that, which I think that she'll be okay, I'm going to try her on that at the end of this video and show you guys what if she likes it or not. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a lot better. It's made with oats, whole grain oats, canola oil, cocoa, natural sugar, sea salt, stuff like that. It's all organic ingredients. Like, I don't know, you could drink it, add it to things, pour it, and mix it with things. So it's like the same thing. It's just Chobani oat. So we also got some bananas. We got 5 packs of meat. We got some chicken. We got, looks like Colt got 2 steaks. We got 2 packs of hamburger. We're gonna put these over here. Okay. We got some confetti pancakes. I saw this, honestly, I've never seen this before. And then Tiffany on Beauty and the Beastons, she does this for her kids when it's their birthday and stuff, and I think it's just the cutest thing ever. So we only have pancakes once in a while, so I figured that why not, like, get this, because it'll be fun. Novelle will actually enjoy it. This is the blue machine I was talking about that I'm going to turn Novelle on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
I want to take too.
What?
I take.
You want to take? You want to drink?
No, I take.
Chips?
No, I take.
What do you want?
I take.
Box is the spaghetti whole wheat. This was actually on sale. Hold on, hold on. I got a big thing of the healthy popcorn. It's butter and sea salt. This is actually really, really good. It's a lot better than the regular. We got some cupcakes. Novelle threw them in the cart, so we grabbed them. Do you want one?
Yeah.
Hold on. Which one? Pick one. Just one. Pick one. Pick one. You want that one?
Yeah. My blue one. I want pink.
What one do you want?
I want pink.
You want this one? Here. We got some Lucky Charms. That's what Novelle chose. And then last but not least, we got some white cheddar rice cakes. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and stick with our family. We have a lot going on. We have a lot more videos in the future. Trying to conceive videos, breastfeeding videos. If you guys have any questions regarding it, you guys can always comment down on my videos. Or until next time, God bless you. And I hope you guys all stay safe from this COVID-19 issue and stuff like that. And just keep your awareness up. My county did not have anything in the entire U.S. And then the last couple days, we've been slowly finding people who have it, but they're not telling us what county, like what area of the county that it's in. They're just saying like east, southwest, and you know, so on and so forth. So hopefully it's no one around me. Kind of scared. But anyway, I will talk to you guys next time. See you later.